What is a smart home? What is a smart home? It uses smart devices. It uses smart devices. I use a smart light. I use a smart light. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. This is a smart lock. This is a smart lock. Lock the front door. Lock the front door. Unlock the door now. Unlock the door now. I have a smart camera. I have a smart camera. Check the video feed. Check the video feed. It is very clear. It is very clear. Meet the smart speaker. Meet the smart speaker. Play some calm music. Play some calm music. Ask it for help. Ask it for help. What is the weather? What is the weather? It gives me answers. It gives me answers. I use a smart plug. I use a smart plug. It saves electricity. It saves electricity. Control it by phone. Control it by phone. This is smart heat. This is smart heat. Set the temperature now. Set the temperature now. Make it warmer, please. Make it warmer, please. Smart homes are easy. Smart homes are easy. Technology helps my life. Technology helps my life. I love my house. I love my house.